In class 11th accountancy, we are on the chapter 8, that is bills of exchange, and already I explained you books of drawer and drawing. With the theory part, drawer is writer and drawee is acceptor. Today we are going to do the sum questions which is given in NCERT for practice and for various cases. So look at the screen, then you will be able to understand the questions which are given in the NCERT. So note down the question or the page number, then it will be easy for you to do or practice these type of questions. Yes, my dear children, note down. See the question given in the book, NCERT. Amit sold goods of rupees 20,000 to Sumit. Now, by the first line, we can tell them that Amit is the seller and Sumit is the buyer. So be careful, drawer is another term for seller and joy is buyer. Yes, first you should note down the question. Then it will be easy for you to do it. Okay? Note down the question. First, who is the drawer? Here, seller. Who is the drawing? Buyer. And Amit drew a bill, okay, and Sumit accepted it. It means who is the maker and who is the acceptor. So according to our question, Amit is the drawer, okay, and Sumit is the drawer. See, it's my suggestion to you. First of all, you should identify the drawer and drawing carefully. See, here I am giving you many clues. Who is the drawer? Who is the drawing? Drawer is the seller, drawing is the buyer. Drawer is the maker or writer of the bill, and drawing is the acceptor of the bill. Okay, writer. Drew means writer. Okay? Now here we can say Amit is the drawer, Sumit is the drawer. If you identify wrong drawer and drawing, then in that case your question will be completely wrong. So here first of all the first step is to identify the drawer and drawing. Now Amit sold goods for rupees 20,000 to Sumit on 1st January. Then Amit writes a bill for the same amount but for 3 months. Now Sumit accepted the bill and returned it to Amit. Now Sumit met his acceptance on maturity. Means Troy will give the payment on maturity. Now record the necessary general entries under the following conditions. See, my dear children, when I started this topic, then I told you that bills of exchange is a tool of making the credit exchange possible, and it works as an evidence, as a proof in the court. Okay, and there are 4 payment mechanisms are there: keep till maturity, discounted, endorsed, transfer to the third person, yes, and 4 BSC. BSC means bill sent for collection. Okay, now see, first case. Amit retained the bill till the date of its maturity and collected directly. Second case, Amit discounted the bill at the rate of 12% per annum from his bank. Third, Amit endorsed the bill to his creditor Ankit. Endorse means transfer the bill. Discounted means get the early payment. Before the maturity, get the payment. Okay, and endorse means transfer the amount. And four, Amit retained the bill. On 31st March, he sent the bill for collection to its bank. BSC, bill sent for collection. Then on 5th April, bank advice was received, means bank informed him that the payment received. So 4 payment mechanisms are there. Now how to pass the general entries, look one by one. Okay, now see, note down the question, illustration 1 of NCERT. Now, first, books of drawer. Amit. First entry. Amit sailed the goods to the Sumit. So, the general entry, Sumit's account debit to sales account or drawing account debit to sales, because name is given, so we have to write Sumit, and Sumit is the receiver of the goods, that's why debit. Date given in the question, amount given in the question. Okay? Now, second entry. Because he is selling the goods, that's why he will receive the bill. That's why entry is bills receivable account debit to drawee, and here the drawee is Sumit. Okay? Note down the entries. Follow the rules. General entries rules you have to follow. As you know, sales will become credit and Sumit is the receiver, that's why debit. Date given, amount given, and you have to write goods sold. Okay, now second, please see. Bills receivable account debit to Sumit's account. Because bills receivable received, he is the seller, that's why he is getting the proof, because the Sumit person is the buyer and he is giving bill for 3 months, means after 3 months he will make the payment. So you will write received acceptance, received bills receivable from Sumit. Then count the days. Okay. Bank account debit to bills receivable account. Payment received in bank account 20,000 rupees to bills receivable account. In place of bank, you can write cash, but according to Indian income tax rule, there is limit on cash transaction. So bank account debit to bills receivable account. Okay. Now, if the bill was discounted from the bank, then what will be the entry? See, first 2 entries will be same. This is the easiest way I am telling you. You just learn the 4 payment mechanism, because other entries will be same. Like selling the goods by the same way as in the first case, getting the bill receivable from the Sumit, that is also by the same way. Okay, only the changes in here, bank account debit, discount account debit to bills receivable account. Now you will be confused how to calculate discount. So see how to calculate discount. Discount is equals to 20,000 into 3 months into 12%. Again, the amount of bill into rate into months. So that will be 600 rupees. 600 rupees. In your class 6th and 5th, you have to, I am sure, you must learn how to calculate interest by the same way. That will be there. Total amount into months into rate, that will be 600. 600 is discount. Now, out of 20,000 rupees, bank will cut 600 rupees and deposited 19,400 rupees in the drawer's account. Why bank is cutting 600 rupees? My question is this. Why bank is cutting 600 rupees? Because bank is giving early payment before maturity. So if bank is giving payment before maturity, the bank will charge interest or the charges for 3 months. The way amount of bill into months into rate. Okay. So now 600 rupees will be charges by the bank, 19,400 rupees issued to him. Now, if the bill is endorsed in favor of his creditor, Ankit, third party. Yes, this is the third case. So what will be the entry? Just now I am telling you. First two entries will be same. Means Sumit debit to sales, same, no change. Only the payment mechanism will change. Other all entries will be same, my dear children. And bills receivable to Sumit, that is also same. Now what will be the change then? Payment. Yes. If he will keep the bill till maturity, he will get the payment. If he will discounted this bill from the bank, the bank will get the payment. But here in that third case, he endorsed this bill to Ankit. Now who is the receiver of this bill? Who will get the payment? Ankit will get the payment. Yes. So Ankit's account debit, Ankit will be the receiver. And what is going out? Bills receivable. So bills receivable will be going out for 20,000 rupees. Okay. Now who is the receiver of this bill? Third party. In the books or in the accounting language, we can say he is endorsee. Endorsee. Here Ankit is endorsee. See, Amit wants to transfer the payment to Ankit. Now Ankit is the third party or endorsee and Amit is endorser. Now drawer will transfer this amount to third party. Now next. The bill was sent for collection by Amit to the bank. Yes, banks are giving facilities to collect the bill's amount on maturity by charging some charges, but nowadays banks are giving this facilities. So first entry is Sumit debit to sales, same. Bills receivable to Sumit, that is also same. Now on 31st March date given in the question, bill sent for collection, BSC to debit to BR because BR is going out. Then on 5th April, bank informed him that the amount collected. So the entry will be bank account debit to BSC. Means the amount collected by the bank and given in the bank account. Transfer in the bank account. Now these journal entries will be made by Sumit also, Joy also, in all the 4 cases. Okay? But as I told you, the books of Joy is easy because he doesn't know what are the uses by draw. Either he is keeping till maturity, discounted from bank, endorse it, or BSC means bill sent out for collection. Joy will not have any objection for that. He will make the payment on maturity after 3 months only. That's why the entries in his book will always be same. Yes. See, in the books of Sumit, first entry, purchase account debit, because he is the buyer. That's why I told him that I told you that he is enjoying. Yes, Sumit purchased goods from Amit. So purchase account debit to Amit. Then bill issue to Amit. So Amit debit to bills payable. Now bills payable to bank, because payment made on maturity. Now, my dear children, how this 4th April is there? Please tell me. How we can say that this date will be 4th April? See again, see 1st January to 3 months. Be careful. He has written bill on 1st January. Goods exchange on 1st January. Bills exchange on 1st January. But this is for 3 months. So as I already explained you, 1st January to 1st February, 1st February to 1st March, 1st March to 1st April. Now 1st April will be the due date. But 3 days of grace. So always calculate plus 3 days automatically. This is the right of Joy, that he will get the days of grace for 3 days and he will make the payment on that date. So 1st January to 1st February, 1st February to 1st March, 1st March to 1st April, then 3 days. So the date will be 4th April. Okay. And on the 4th April, Sumit will make the payment and get his bills payable back. So bills payable account debit to bank account. See, in place of bank, entry can be made to cash also. If the amount is less, now see, I am going to tell you what is the basic of this entry. Amit credit, Amit debit, cancel. Bills payable credit, bills payable debit, that is also cancelled. The basic entry, purchase account debit to bank account. But we cannot pass this journal entry directly because this is a credit transaction. Now, in all the cases, he will pass the same journal entry. Same. In all the cases, you see, or under, note down, same journal entries will be made under all the 4 circumstances. As I told you, he will not bother about what are the uses by the drawer. He will pass the entry only on that day. Okay, now see, in that bill of exchange, some discount also given. See, 15th March, Ramesh sold goods of rupees 8,000 to Deepak on credit. Now, please identify who is the drawer, who is the drawee. I have given you three clues. So here we can say Ramesh is the drawer, Deepak is the drawee. Because Ramesh is seller, Deepak is buyer. Again, Deepak accepted, it means accepted. So Deepak is drawing. And the date is of 3 months. See, I told you only the amount, name or months will change. Then on 15th April, Ramesh endorsed this bill in favor of Poonam for the debt of rupees 8,250. See, 8,250, but the bill is of rupees 2,000. It means 250 rupees is discount. That's why I'm explaining you this question. You cannot change the amount of bill. It is pre-decided. Okay, so if you want to endorse it, you have to give the discount of remaining amount or the cash payment. See, the amount of bill is 8,000 rupees, but the settlement of full settlements is for 8250. So here 250 will be discount. Okay, so here see first book Deepak to sales 8,000. Then bills receivable to Deepak, that is also 8,000. Now he is endorsing this bill. This is the example from NCRT. Yes. So Poonam debit to bills receivable of rupees 8,000 and 250 rupees will be treated as discount. Why? Because this is full settlement. See, why discount received? Ramesh has to give 8,250 rupees to Poonam, but the bill value is of rupees 8,000. The amount written on bill is 8,000. So he has to give that 8,000 rupees to him. So remaining will be 250 and this will be treated as discount received. Very good. Got it? Clear? Yes. Now books of Deepak. As I told you, Joy will not have any problem. Either you are discounting it, endorse it. See, just what he is doing, purchase account, debit to Ramesh, goods purchase. Then second entry, Ramesh debit to bills payable, issue of bills payable. Then on maturity. Yes. On maturity, he will pass the general entry bills payable to bank. Okay? Or bills payable to cash. Now, what will be the entries passed by endorsee? Third party. Poonam is the third party. Poonam is endorsing because Ramesh endorsed the bill to Poonam. Now Poonam will get the payment. So when he endorsed the bill, what will be the entry passed in Poonam's book? Yes, simple as usual. Bills receivable comes in 8,000 rupees. Discount allowed. This is the loss for endorsee because in place of 8,250 rupees, she is getting only 8,000 rupees. So 250 rupees is discount allowed or the loss for her. That's why debited according to accounting rule 3, all losses will be debited. So discount allowed is 250 and the full and final settlement from Ramesh is 8250. Okay. Now she will get the payment from bank. So entry will be bank account debit discount allowed account debit to BR 7920, 80 rupees discount charges and 8,000. Now after that I already explained you dishonor. Now see what is dishonor. When the drawee fails to make the payment of maturity, then fails to pay means he is unable to make the payment on maturity. In this situation, the entries will be reversed as I have told. If the bill will be dishonored, dishonored means the drawee is not giving payment, refused to give the payment. See, there are various cases of dishonor. Maybe lack of money, maybe the drawee will become insolvent, unable to pay. Okay, so or maybe the drawee requests to draw a new bill. Then in that case, already you can see the previous videos. I already explained you about dishonor. Now what the entries will be there. When the bill was kept by Anju, then the entry is Manju to bills receivable, means drawee to bills receivable, return it back with noting charges. Yes. And if the endorsed, then Sandhya will be the giver. If bill discounted, then bank will be the giver. If bill sent for collection, then BSC will be the credited account. Now see, Shiva sold goods to Vishal, write a bill. On the due date, bill was dishonored. Then what will be the entry? See, different cases are there. First of all, sale of goods, then receiving of bills receivable, then returning of bills receivable. This is the example number 3 in NCERT. Now returning of bill means bill dishonored. If that bill is with him only or her only, means with the drawer. If the bill is discounted, then the bill is with the bank. That's why bank will be the giver. Other entries will be same. Yes. And if the bill was endorsed, the endorsed to Mr. Lalchan, now who will be the giver? Lalchan will be the giver. Okay? Clear? But in the books of drawing, always same entry. In all the 4 cases. And as I explained you, noting charges means to make the bill legal, then it is to be noted by notary department. It will authenticates the fact of dishonor. The fee charged by notary department is called noting charges. Okay, I am sure you will all are able to understand it. If you have any doubt, you can ask.